The human souls on Earth had been living for decades, but many were not content with their lives. They had lost connection with the divine purpose of their existence, which was to create and nurture new souls in the form of trees, plants, animals, and birds. Instead, they had become the destroyers of nature, cutting down trees without remorse and harming other living beings. Seeing this, God decided to change his laws. He declared that the souls who were content and showed kindness towards other souls would be considered heavenly souls. On the other hand, those who caused harm and ignored the rules would be known as hell souls. Confused by this new order, the souls asked God how they could become heavenly souls and journey to heaven. God explained that there were two ways for a soul to depart from its physical body. 1. The soul must attain a state of 100% consciousness and optimum health, which would allow for a smooth and painless exit. To reach this state, a soul must strictly follow the heavenly guidelines, which include Rule number 1, fighting without fighting. This means avoiding conflict and peacefully resolving any disagreements. Rule number 2, eating without food. The best food for the soul is fasting, as it helps purify and strengthen the mind and generate good vibrations throughout the body. Rule number 3, enjoying without material possessions. This involves emptying the mind and focusing on healing any damaged or weakened parts of the body. Souls that depart their bodies with 100% consciousness are granted direct entry into heaven. The soul program is designed to eliminate the tendency towards anger and violence, preventing harm towards others. Once it reaches 100% consciousness, it will destroy these destructive behaviors. 2. The soul may also depart through a damaged or weakened body due to illness or injury. In this scenario, the soul's connection to the mind is severed and the body becomes inoperable. This highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy mind and consciousness for a peaceful departure. Understandably, the souls were confused by these rules and asked God for further clarification. God explained that the guidelines were straightforward. They must avoid conflict, practice self-control through fasting, and focus on healing their bodies through meditation and mindfulness. Encouraged by God's teachings, the souls accepted this new challenge and returned to Earth with a renewed determination to live as heavenly souls. And thus, the journey of the human soul to attain enlightenment and reach heaven continues.